Let's take a look at our 2011 lineup. So first up, we've got the Mac-9 DS Comp. This has got a huge chunk port in it, oversized mag release, and a flared magwell. A super enjoyable shooting experience. Next up, we have the Girsan Match X. This has a integrated compensator. This is RMSC cut, and it has a lightweight frame. We have the Springfield Prodigy 5-inch, full barrel. Not gonna spend too much time on this guy. You know what it is. And lastly, arguably my favorite, the Fusion Firearms XP Pro. This takes Glock mags, super massive flared magwell, a great carry gun, and arguably one of the best budget intro 2011s on the market. Definitely come check them out.